Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan and I'm the owner of a small business called Fauna. I mostly make and sell scrunchies and macrame, but I do make a range of other items and I do vlog the whole behind the scenes process of running my small business. And in today's video, I am going to be finally reopening my shop after having it closed for quite a few months because we have been in the process of moving house and there was quite a bit of a delay in opening my shop again because we had some major issues with our Wi-Fi, but I am so thrilled to say we have finally fixed it. So I am cracking on with prepping the shop, getting everything ready so I can open it back up again. So first things first, I've got to find all of my stock, unpack it all and do a huge stock count so that way I can go onto my website and edit all the numbers and make sure everything is ready for the website to go live. So last night I finally reopened the website and guys, it is so good to be back. We received orders. So thank you so much to any of you that popped onto the website that had a browse because according to like my statistics and the live feed and a few things, there's quite a bunch of you on there having a good browse and having a good shop. So thank you so much. So we've got orders to package today, which I'm thrilled about. I'm so relieved. I don't know what I was expecting. I wasn't really expecting anything, but I kind of had that imposter syndrome feeling in the back of my mind where I thought, have people forgotten about me? Is anyone going to really like give a shit about Fauna Rose considering it's been so long since the website's been open, since I've been like active on social media and stuff? But a bunch of you were on there having a nosy at the website. So guys, thank you so much. And a huge thank you to those of you who did place orders. So I've got a few orders to package. I'm super excited to be back and to get like into the swing of things and stuff, but I probably should have organized my life and my office a little bit beforehand because I have no idea where any of my stuff is. I don't know where my name cards are. I'm hoping that they're here. I think they're here. Most things Fauna Rose related was already like packed away and in storage, which is great, but I think there are some bits still at the house that I do need to go through and see if I can still use them. So I do need to have a good rummage through some of the boxes and have a quick look around the office and around the rest of the house and start finding all of my like packing supplies and stuff. So I'm going to do all that first and then I'm probably going to set up downstairs on my desk, start pulling all of the goodies for people's orders, and yeah, let's get everything packaged. I'm really excited about it. So that is all the orders for now packaged up. There is one left. The lovely Karina placed an order, but it has a custom macrame headband in it. So I just need to get that made up. So I will probably do that tonight and probably get that order sent out tomorrow. But I'm going to run off to the post office. I've got a few errands and stuff to run today. So I'm going to get all that done first. And then, as you can see, I am in my new office, which needs sorting as soon as possible because I finally have my shelves here. We were able to salvage my scrunchy wall from the old house. So I am desperate to get this all set up again. But I'm going to head on out to the post office, get on with a bunch of errands that I need to do, and then I'm going to come back and maybe do a little bit of like tidying, organising, planning out a space in here. I do want to do a bunch of editing, and like I said, I've got that headband to make, so I've still got a lot of stuff to do. But it's been a really chilled kind of first day back to work, I guess, after I spent all of yesterday just on my laptop, counting stock, going through everything, editing the website and stuff. So it's been nice to just get back into Fauna Rose. I have missed this so much. So let's go to the post office. So I'm just having a little bit of a play around with the space and trying to figure out what I want to do with it. We've got 3 of the shelves up here already. The 4th one's still downstairs. I'm thinking if I was to do the 4 of them on this wall, they would have to go kind of more that way instead of against this wall. Hey Bobos. Just because there is actually a plug down here on this wall right in the corner. And I do need to be able to like access those because I've got a lot of things that I plug in. So like my sewing machine, my laptop, my label printer, other different devices and stuff. So I don't want to end up covering them. And I don't want the faff of constantly having to like crawl under stuff or move stuff out the way just to plug stuff in and turn it on and whatnot. So I do want to still be able to like access that plug. So that's why I'm not putting the shelves right against this back corner here. Hello, are you okay? So I was going to see if this little desk for now, because I don't think I'm going to necessarily keep this wet. I was going to see if it works like in this space here, because that way I can still get underneath to access that plug, but it doesn't fit. It's off by like a couple of inches because next to it I've got 2 sets of IKEA like calyx units. I've got an 8 cube one and then a 4 cube one. So I'm not really sure about how I'm going to like figure out how this space is going to be. I do have 2 more 4 square unit in the spare room, as well as like a 2 unit, one above one, that we could always use. I'm not really sure yet. There is a tiny bit of wall space over there that's got like my filing cabinets over there for the time being, so hello. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm a bit indecisive, I think, because I didn't necessarily buy this furniture for this space. And I do find that over time, once I'm working in a space, I start to like figure out what works best where, and I do move bits and bobs over time. But I do just want the scrunchy wall to be like in place. I don't want to have to faff around moving that. Hello, I know. I might get Alex up here later and we can both have like a bit of a brainstorming session and like move stuff about. But I think for now, I'm going to go and do a little bit of editing, give this guy some attention because he's desperate for it. So I'll chat to you guys soon. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me this week, and thank you so much for all of your support as always, and to all of you who ordered, a massive thank you as well. If you could give this video a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you aren't. All the social media for Fauna Rose, including the website, is linked down below, so feel free to have a nosy down there and check out the different ways that you can support me and my small business. But apart from that, I'm going to go. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.